pipe cleaner frog is one of my favorite pipe cleaner projects. It's easy to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need 8 green pipe cleaners, a piece of 1 red pipe cleaner, fingernail clippers, a large marker, pencil, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. Start by making the head of the frog. Hold the end of a green pipe cleaner against a pencil and wrap it around in a bundle, one coil right on top of the other. With the second pipe cleaner, you're going to make one of the eyes to start with. So make a tight coil at one end, just 2 or 3 coils down, about that big, and then hold it onto the bundle that you just made and start wrapping the rest of the pipe cleaner around the bundle to complete the head. When you have about 1.5 inches or so of pipe cleaner left, you're going to make the second eye by coiling down that tail and positioning it right next to the first eye. Slide the head off the pencil. Thread 1 pipe cleaner through the hole in the side of the head and center it. This is going to become the body. I'm going to take my thick marker and I'm going to hold the ends against it, start coiling up again in a bundle with both of the pipe cleaners. Start making the body, and I'm going to get that up as close to the head as possible. Hold the end of another pipe cleaner against the bundle. So just bundle it around what's already there, sort of crisscrossing over and around. Do the same thing with another pipe cleaner. Add 1 more for a total of 3 more pipe cleaners, so a total of 4 make the body. And slide that off the marker. To make the back legs, thread 1 pipe cleaner through the hole in the side of the body and make sure it's about equal distance. Make a foot on one side by bending down 1 toe, leaving a little bit of extra tail. Bend 3 toes. And then secure the toes together with that little extra tail of pipe cleaner. Just wrap it around the base so that the foot stays in place. Make a foot on the other side. Now for the back legs, you're going to bend the pipe cleaner up about 1 inch from the top and bend the foot forward. So do that on the other side as well. You're going to do the front feet the same way, except you're going to run the pipe cleaner through the hole in the head. Then I'm going to bend the leg of the frog in the front and just position everything so that my frog is ready to leap. Cut a piece of the red pipe cleaner, probably just about 1.5 to 2 inches long. Coil down the end in a tight coil and insert the end into the head between the coils. Keep it in place. The last step is to add googly eyes. I'm going to use a thick white craft glue. Put it right in the middle of those coils. Position the eyes and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.